Welcome friends to another episode of Wesley's Food Den. Tonight I'll be making a quick and simple dessert called vermicelli. For this you will need 150 grams of vermicelli, 350 ml of almond milk, and this has been infused with saffron, a quarter bowl of chopped cashew nuts, a quarter bowl of chopped almonds, and half a teaspoon each of ground cardamom and cinnamon. You could put whole cardamom if you would prefer, but as this is a dessert, you don't want it to be stopping your guest while they're having it, because if you bite into a cardamom it can have a bitter taste. I will be adding 100 grams of white sugar. Hot is hot, and I'll be adding 2 teaspoons of oil. Now you could use butter, you could use ghee, but I will be using oil. And you need to cook your vermicelli on low heat. So to this I will be adding my vermicelli. And you need to give that a good stir. Now you have to let this cook, and you need it to evenly brown. Vermicelli has been frying for about 5 minutes and it is evenly browned. And to this I'll be adding in my chopped almonds and cashew nuts. Also I'll be adding in my ground cardamom and half teaspoon of ground cinnamon. And you need to give that a good mix. And to this I'll be adding my almond milk that has been infused with saffron. You have to be careful because this can be dangerous, and you have to turn your heat down. And you need to cook this for a few minutes, and you do not put your sugar until you are serving it, because it will make it thick. The sugar will make your vermicelli thick. Vermicelli is now cooked, and I have removed it from the heat because I don't want it to burn. And to this I will be adding in my sugar. Now sugar is as per taste, and if you want to add more, you're welcome to do so, or you can add less. You could even use brown sugar if you'd like. Also you can add raisins if you would like, so you could cut your sugar down as well. So give this a good mix, and this is ready for serving. This is ready to serve, and you can have this as thick or as thin as you like it. The more milk you add, the thinner it would get. So this is ready for plating. Now generally in Durban they would serve this with papad. And there you have it, vermicelli, a nice warm pudding for this cold night.